Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're frustrated because you can't send photos or pictures on Messenger in 2025, you're not alone. This issue can pop up due to app glitches, network problems, or permission errors, but don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that should get you sharing those memories in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can prevent photos from uploading. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if needed. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. Next, update your Messenger app. Outdated versions often cause bugs, especially with the latest 2025 features. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for updates. Install any available ones and restart the app to see if that resolves the issue. Now, let's talk permissions. Apps like Messenger need access to your camera and storage to send photos. Go to your phone's settings, find the Messenger app in the App Permissions section, and ensure that camera and storage access are turned on. If they're not, enable them and try sending a photo again. Another quick fix is to clear the app's cache. Over time, cached data can build up and cause problems. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. iPhone users can offload the app or restart their device to achieve a similar effect. After clearing, open Messenger and test it out. If you're still stuck, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and once it's back up, launch Messenger and attempt to send a photo. As a last resort, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall Messenger from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can eliminate any corrupted files causing the problem. There you have it. Easy steps to fix Messenger's photo sending issues in 2025. If none of these work, it might be worth checking Facebook's Help Center or contacting support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.